Right now, we're seeing a notable spike in climate sentiment, with a score of plus 0.75 and a momentum of plus 0.39. This is significant, because it's well above the historical baseline, indicating a rising optimism that's not just a blip, but a potential turning point. With 20 semantic clusters reflecting diverse perspectives, you can dive deeper into specific sentiments driving this momentum. Our API returns a detailed analysis of climate sentiment, including sentiment scores, momentum trends, and thematic insights, allowing you to integrate these into your applications seamlessly. Imagine building a dashboard for climate activists, providing real-time sentiment updates to guide campaigns or outreach efforts. If you're ready to leverage this data, head over to pulsebit.lojenterprise.com/docs to get started.